Hello friends, welcome to Learn from Zero. In this channel, we learn everything from the very beginning in a very simple and easy way. Today we are starting fractions and our first topic is proper fraction. Don't worry if you don't know anything about fractions. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what a proper fraction is. So come, let's get into the video. First, let us see the definition. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Now, let me explain this in simple words. The numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. When the top number, this is the top number, when the top number is smaller than the bottom number, then the fraction is called proper fraction. So, the basic rule is here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So numerator is the top number which I have shown here and the bottom number is 4. So if the numerator which is top number is smaller than the bottom number, then this is called proper fractions. Now let us understand this with an example. Imagine you have one pizza. It is cut into 4 equal pieces. Now you ate one slice of pizza. So how you will show it in the fraction? So the pizza what you ate, which is one piece, that is smaller. So you'll write it in the numerator and the number 4, which is the total number of pieces. So the 4 is total number of pizza. Total number of pizza or total number of pieces. So the pizza what you ate, which is 1, you write in the numerator and the total number of pieces you will write in the denominator. So this is proper fraction. So always the smaller number should be in the numerator and the bigger number or the larger number should be in the denominator. This is how the proper fraction is written. Now we'll see one more example. Suppose a chocolate bar is cut into 8 pieces. So in this you ate 3 pieces of chocolate, which is shown here. You ate 3 pieces of chocolate. So now the fraction will be 3 by 8. Here 3 is smaller. This is smaller than the 8. So 3 is smaller than the 8. Again you ate 3 pieces of chocolate from the 8 pieces. So 3 is smaller. So you will write it in the numerator. This is numerator. You will write it in the numerator and below that you will write 8. So this is denominator. This is how you write the fraction, proper fraction. So let's see the last example. Suppose there are 5 apples. These are the 5 apples in your basket. And you take 2 apples. So you took 2 apples from the basket. And that means you took 2 out of 5 apples. So the fraction will be 2 by 5. So the 2 apples what you took and the whole apples in the basket is 5. So the numerator is smaller, which you'll write it in the top, and denominator is bigger or larger, you will write it at the bottom. So this is how the proper fraction is. In all these examples, the top number is smaller than the bottom number. So all of them are proper fractions. Now let us check how much you have understood. Is 2 by 7 is a proper fraction or not? Yes, it is a proper fraction because 2 2 is smaller. 2 is smaller than the 7. So this is proper fraction. Now let us see. 5 by 5 is a proper fraction. No, 5 by 5 is not a proper fraction because 5 is not smaller than the 5, the bottom number. So numerator and denominator are equal. So this is not a proper fraction. Now let us see the last one. 9 by 5 is a proper fraction. No, because 9 is bigger than the 4. Here this 9 is larger or bigger than the 4, or numerator is bigger than the denominator. That's why this is not a proper fraction. So today you learned what a proper fraction is. You learn the definitions, the rule, the many real life examples. This is the first step in learning fractions. In the next video, we will learn about improper fraction. Thank you for watching Learn from Zero. Keep learning from the basics. See you in the next video. Bye.